Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today our topic is what is application software and the types of application software. Application software are such software that are designed that are used to perform specific tasks. For example, we need payroll software, payroll system to calculate the salaries of employees on monthly basis. Similarly, in the education institution, we need the examination system software. No, generally, application software are divided into four types. So I will briefly explain each type. First, the definition of application software is it is a set of programs designed to perform a specific task. For example, payroll software, examination system software, etc. There are number of thousands of application software that are available on internet. We can install these software easily from Google Play Store. First type is productivity software. Productivity software are those software which are required to run the institution daily routine work. It generally speed up the daily routine task performed by the user. For example, word processing, spreadsheet and DBMS. What are the best word processing software? The example of word processing software is MS Word. Document. Generally we see that MS Word is used to edit, create and manage the document and prints, and we can take its prints. The word processing software are widely used in many business organizations, and MS Word is the good example of word processing software. Similarly, spreadsheet. The big example of spreadsheet is MS Excel. MS Excel are used to perform the mathematical calculation, applying formula, calculate the salaries, and in some institutions it are also used for accounting purposes. So MS Excel is the big example of spreadsheet software. Similarly, database management software to keep the database, to keep the data record of an institution. For example, MS Access. Similarly, Oracle. Many institutions have purchased the Oracle software that provide comprehensive security-wise secure database. Similarly, we can create database of any institution, educational institution in MS Access. So these are the examples of productivity software that speed up the daily routine task, daily routine activities of an organization. Second type of application software is business software. These are used to run business activities. For example, payroll software, accounting, inventory and retail software. There are thousands of payroll software available on internet. We can install them from Google Play Store. Accounting software, inventory software and retail software. These software, some inventory software are for small business organization, some are for medium purpose, and some application software are used for large organizations. Similarly, thousands of accounting software are available, thousands of inventory and retail software are available on markets. Some are licensed, some are open software, and some are available on free basis. Third is entertainment software. It is used to entertain people. It includes games, audio, video player, etc. We all know that we all have the smartphone and we have the Android operating system on it, and it includes games, thousands of games for kids, for user. We can install thousands of games for user, for kids, for children. Some games are free, some have licensed, and some we can avail on trial basis. So these entertainment software are used for entertainment purpose, for playing games, audio, video player, etc. And number 4, education software. These are used for learning purposes. For example, simulation software. There are hundreds and thousands of simulation software available. These simulation software are about human body parts, working of an engines, solar system, typing tutor software, foreign language software, music and subject like mathematics, physics, chemistry. There are hundred of educational software that are available on the internet, and the student and teacher can use these educational software to learn any language, to learn to gain expertise in any subject. The, these include physics, chemistry, missile engineering, nuclear engineering, projectile motions. Similarly, in biological fields, the movements of seeds, plants, all these simulation software are available on internets, and the students and teacher can get knowledge about their particular field from these education software. And these four are basically the types of application software. First, productivity software like MS Word, Excel, Access. Second, business software, for example payroll software, accounting software, inventory and retail software. Similarly, entertainment software like video games, audio video games that involve joysticks, simulation aeroplane, simulation tanks, games, etc. And similarly, education software related to the business, education software are related to the medical field, education software related to the arts, humanities. Similarly, in sciences, applied sciences, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and computer sciences, etc. So you have to learn this topic from textbook page 15, and this topic is important, and any question or query regarding this topic you can ask me through proper way. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.